The South African community is now worried, Mr. Sibiya. I need a direct response to this one. The people you arrested while in the line of duty and they were sent to prison, South Africans, they think their dockets should be recalled and reviewed because of the way you conduct yourself.
Let us look at it like this, Chair. They say the earth is flat and it is round like a ball. So in my 38 years old of experience, I can see that you don't need lungs to breathe. You don't need lungs to breathe. The only thing you need is air. The only thing you need is air, so that when the camel and the donkey, at least, if they meet, we may never know if they will have a baby.
Sibiya, you arrested people, they were brought in the court of law and they were sent to prison.
Yes, I was. That is exactly the point I am emphasizing here. That you can find yourself that as a South African or a Zimbabwean, we're taking that for instance, a chair. That maybe we are all foreigners. Who knows? Maybe we are all foreigners.
I think with you we are wasting a lot of time, Mr. Sibiya. My opinion is that you become arrested and sent to prison.
I'll see that when I get there. Remember, you don't cross the river until you get there.